Good morning. Today let us look at Scorpio Lagna and the fourth Bhava Aquarius. The fourth Bhava of Scorpio Lagna falls in Aquarius, and Aquarius is the 11th sign from the Kalapurusha and is the lucky sign and the blessed sign for the Scorpio Bhava. For the happiness, wealth, emotions, etc., falls in the 11th bhava of gains from the Kalapurusha. Thus, the native is considered to be blessed with emotional and materialistic wealth. Malefic planets may not harm the native much, but may give an ability to achieve results or achieve both material and emotional results. Benefic planets make the native laid back, as the native will have all the luxuries in life, both material and emotional. Mother to the native will be a strained relationship. Mother will be accommodating. Rahu will create the separative factor between the mother and motherland, while success in Kumba, which is the own house of Rahu, is guaranteed. Ketu will give a detached outlook to the parameters of the fourth house. Let us look at the chart. Rahu in the fourth Lord Saturn is in the 11th with Moon aspected by Jupiter. In the Navamsha, Saturn is in the third house from the Rashi Lagna Scorpio. Rahu in the fourth may make the native be separated from his family or motherland, but he will find success outside. Fourth Lord Saturn in the 11th house, along with the ninth Lord Moon aspected by Jupiter, a sure sign for material, or a promise for a material and emotional wealth according to the Dasha Bhuktis. Navamsha placement of Saturn in his own house and third house shows that the native will put efforts to achieve the same. Navamsha Tulya Rashi Dispositor, fourth Lord Saturn in the Navamsha is Saturn himself, and he is placed in the 11th house from the Lagna in the Rashi chart with ninth Lord Moon. Promise guaranteed and achieved. Do remember that the dashas are important for the events to happen, even if a chart shows good promise. Now let us look at the Karatattvas of the fourth house. Mother, fourth house, fourth Lord Moon. I am sure by now all my students who have watched my videos would be able to give you the answer. Rahu in the fourth, mother may expect more from the native. Mother is lucky for the native, as both fourth Lord and the Moon are placed in the 11th house from the Rashi Lagna, and Moon is the ninth Lord of Bhagya. In the Navamsha, Moon is Vargotama, therefore it is a sure supporter of the native. Properties: fourth house, fourth Lord Mars. Rahu in the fourth, yes, more than one property. Fourth Lord plus Moon, family property. Mars in the seventh with Sun aspecting Lagna, both self-made and partners property. Vehicle: fourth house, fourth Lord Venus. The placement of the fourth house is positive. So is the fourth Lord along with the ninth Lord Moon. Venus may not be a good placement, but looking at the other parameters and considering the other parameters, we can definitely come to a conclusion that the native will own vehicles. Now, education. Fourth house, fourth Lord plus malefic or benefic planets. Rahu in the fourth, even though own house will show Rahu's colors, thus education will be troubled depending upon the dasha at the time of education. Fourth Lord Saturn with Moon Jupiter shows native is inclined to take soft studies and and probably look at commerce with an MBA, because ninth lord moon is placed with the fourth lord. So therefore my take would be the native would take soft studies with a double graduation like MBA. I'm sure this video has been worth your time and effort. Do let me know. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and follow me at G3 Astro. Signing off, Gayatri. Have a pleasant day. Bye.